Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about Netflix or how to solve the problem of offers on Netflix. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Netflix app. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.